One sec. So good morning everyone, today's Monday, I just woke up. I am so sick, I am not liking this. But anyway, we're going to Big Bear Lake in California, it's not too far, and we're going on a snowboarding trip. And this video is about snowboarding trip on a budget. Let's go!
Do you ever wonder what opportunities your life gives you? All the adventures, beautiful and crazy things that you can do. The traveling and goals that you have yet to accomplish. I am Alex Wright, and this is my journey.
So we just had an order yesterday for our business, and I will make a video about our business as well. So I just need to pack it right now, and then we will go to the mail, a post office, and ship it off to Connecticut, I think. So yeah, and this is my mandala coming together. Look at it, I'm doing the black outline right now, and it's looking much better with the outline. The house is a bit messy, but yeah, let's get the packaging done. So this was an order for, I think, 6 magnets, and this is how 6 magnets look like. And I'm just gonna pack them right now, put some stickers on them, and you guys will see everything. So the reason why I was saying that the trip is on the budget is because we have this jar where we collect the money. It's like wherever we have cash in our pockets, we both pitch in, and then so this is the jar, and we managed to collect like $250 in here, so that's our budget for the trip. But yeah, this is the money. And yeah, so that includes staying at the Airbnb for one night. I'm gonna show you that house right now on the side. So we're going with our friend's family. So we have a friend and he has a wife and 2 kids. So it's only $80 for 2 of us, and then the lift tickets for the mountain are $63 because me and Vas were both under 23, so it's gonna be like a young adult ticket. His rentals for the snowboard are gonna be about like $40 with bindings and boots and the snowboard itself, and then his clothing rental is gonna be like about $20 more. For me, I just need a lift ticket, so only $63. 5-star, too bad, no clean fee. I think it's like a hotel, I guess, something like that. So they have like a game room there, swimming pool indoor, and then 1 bedroom, living room. So yeah, all of that is how much? $160 per night. I love Airbnb. Also, check out these flowers that I bought at Ralph's not so long ago. They were like only $4. I love them, and they've been staying here for like 2 weeks at least. Yeah, that's our money. Supposed to be $250.
Feels good when you have money in your wallet, right?
Right. And that's a wallet that I gave to us for Christmas.
Hey guys, we are ready to go to Big Bear to have fun for 2 days. 2 days of crazy fun.
So yeah, the order is shipped. I just need to send our customer the tracking number. She's gonna get it in Connecticut by Thursday. That's amazing. I love great timing. I love being on top of things. And so now I'm trying to meet up with Vas again. He just bought us coffee in Starbucks, and we're heading out to our friends to go to Big Bear. So we stole a child, now it's ours.
Yeah.
For a couple of days.
Yeah.
But we don't mind.
We rented it.
That's a good sign.
Ты чего на меня так смотришь, что я зверь какой-то?
Ну, такие голубые глаза, да?
Ну да. Они уже
Мое.
поменялись.
Да, мое.
Твои?
Ну вот, Настя будет на Костю похожа, а Макс на нашу. Бывает такое. Схватил. Не сади ее!
Вон там монополия твоя, Саша, пришла.
Я просто у нее это, комбинезончик сползает.
Анастасия Константиновна.
Очень длинное имя. Подьячева Анастасия Константиновна.
Сколько?
Ну, с букв там 2 алфавита, наверное, влезет.
So we just got to our Airbnb and it's kind of like a complex, I guess, with a bunch of houses, and we're gonna get ours really soon. It's cold in here. We honestly thought it would be warmer, but it's like 50 something degrees here. Welcome home, little bear. Let's check in. Котя.
Привет, ребят.
Hello.
Hello, guys. We just arrived to our like complex building, and
We don't have an apartment apparently.
yeah, but like people still like working on it, and I hope in a half an hour we will check in.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to spend all my money.
Gambling.
What?
Okay, we decided to play air hockey instead. Wait. Let's try first.
I'm afraid.
Not this time.
Мы уже играем в бильярд.
So we have a vlog with Anastasia Konstantinovna.
Anastasia.
Very pretty girl.
By you.
Hey, you.
Yo.
And that's our Airbnb. It's pretty cool. So I'm like super sick. Apparently I have a fever. And my boyfriend just went to CVS to get me some meds. In the meanwhile, I'm making mashed potatoes with this mixer thing. We bought this Armenian, I believe, bread, and I'm honestly so in love with this. I really love bread and butter. That's like my addition. And I just finished my mashed potatoes over here, and guys made some barbecue, so the dinner is gonna be on point with that and that, if you guys know what those are. I have a fever, but that's not gonna stop me from snowboarding today. And I'm gonna snowboard. We just got to Big Bear. I have all of my gear, and there's the mountain with a little of fake snow, but that's okay, you know. I don't complain. I'm just so excited. I'm gonna teach Vas how to snowboard too.